We're here today at 60 Wyoming Drive in Canvas, a beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with an attached 2-car garage. I'm really excited to show you this one today. Let's check it out together. This home is nestled in the countryside out here in Canvas. You're conveniently located less than 5 minutes from downtown Summersville, and you're in a very nice neighborhood right here in Canvas. Coming in here on the front door, we have the laundry room and what begins the bedrooms here in this home. Walking into the den here, you can see the great fireplace with a great location for that big flat screen TV. Plenty of natural light with all of the windows. And coming in here, you see the living room. It has these beautiful arches and wormy chestnut posts. And you come into this great entertainer's kitchen with a very large island, great farm sink right in the middle, and of course even some natural light here in the kitchen as well. And coming out of the kitchen into the living room, you come out to this very nice covered porch. It has a great view out here of the surrounding farms and community, and of course you can see the pond that is on this property and the nice yard that would be great for children, pets, and just really enjoying the countryside right here outside of Summersville. Coming in from the living room, the den, and the kitchen, also here is the dining room area. It's a very nice open floor plan and gives a lot of opportunity again for entertaining. And then you also come in here to the master suite. Master suite has great space and also a very nice bathroom. It does have the large garden tub, step-in shower, double vanity with custom rough wood counters. And also the first of the closets for the master bedroom, also the second closet. And did I mention 2-car garage? These 10 by 10 doors, plenty of space for any size vehicle. And as you come in, you can see this is a garage built with plenty of storage above and below. Gives a lot of opportunity for your storage right here attached to the house. And as you can see, 2 large carports, perfect for boats, campers, or anything of the like. The garden shed down below, and it has a perfect location to maybe turn this into a fire pit or keep it as a pool location. The pool doesn't stay with the house, but again, it's ready for your own if you want to put one back. Consider giving this 4-bedroom, 2-bath home a chance. It has a very nice, expansive, open floor plan that would be perfect for entertaining guests, any size family, or make this home your own and turn it into whatever you'd like it to be. My name is Garrett Cole. I'm the broker and listing agent here at 60 Wyoming Drive in Canvas. Reach out to any of our dedicated sales staff and we'll be glad to give you a tour and see what you might think of this home.